In this video, you will learn how to add percentage symbol in Excel without changing value. Currently, you can see here I have calculated the percentage and I have automatically inserted percentage symbol without changing any value. So let's start this video. If this video is helpful for you, please like it and subscribe to the channel for more informative videos. In a separate sheet, I have already entered the data to save time. Firstly, I will calculate the percentage and later on you will learn how to insert percentage symbol. Select the cell, put equal sign, select this cell, divided by total marks, multiply by 100. Press enter. Again select this cell. Place your cursor at the end. When plus sign appears, drag it down to calculate the percentage for remaining cell. Now you can observe that we have successfully calculated the percentage, but percentage symbol is not displayed along with our values. So how you can insert percentage symbol without changing these values? I will select this one. After selecting all these cells, place your cursor here and right click. Here you will find the option of format cells. Select this option. Now here you will find different options. I will place it here. Here you will find the option of category. From here I will select custom. From here I will select this one 0. Now click on this option. After 0 I will type backslash. Now I will type percentage. Now here you can see here 0 backslash percentage. I have selected 0 from here. Now I have inserted backslash and percentage here. After that I will click on OK. Now you can see here percentage symbol is automatically inserted along with our values. So by using these options you can easily insert percentage symbol in Microsoft Excel. That's the end of this video. Thanks for watching this video. Goodbye.